All right, Andre Wilson. I'm from Douglasville, Georgia. I'm originally from Cleveland, Ohio. And my experience in the mastermind has been actually overwhelming, with the help and with everybody we've met so far. So I'm not kind of used to that because I'm used to people gatekeeping and keeping information from you, and you got it, I got it, you have to get it on your own. And it's not like Amelia. She really brought it home, and then she gave us a blueprint as to where we should go. Initially, I'm always on just standing by, see how things go, but it wasn't until I actually started just reading up, following, and I actually looked you up. And I'm like, okay, she seems pretty thorough, not a scam. So that's what kind of drew me in. And normally when you meet someone, you can tell if they're genuine. So genuine, and you seem to have a passion for what you do, and you can't hide that. You can't fake that. So when my wife came to me, wanted to join the mastermind, my response was no. For me, and the price, but it costs money to make money, and then you have to change your mindset where investment concern is, because there's nothing free. Nothing is free. You go to any college, you have to pay to go to college. Information costs. Going in it with that was one of the reasons why I didn't really have a problem with it. I was kind of apprehensive about it, but for everything that we were getting, you were tangible, that was a plus for me. So it kind of eased me a little bit. It was a carryover, and it actually opened more doors as far as the feeling of, we're here to help you. Whatever it is that you need, we're here to help you. Don't feel apprehensive about it, because this is a safe place. How has it impacted us the most? Well, it given me a little more confidence to step in what it is that God, first of all, called me to do, and to move in this particular area, because it can be overwhelming with all the information that you have to take in, and you see everybody else doing it, but you're like, I need a blueprint, So I love the fact that we do have blueprints, but you just have to execute those blueprints. Of course, that's with anything else that you do. But yeah, that's the confidence to take those necessary steps and move forward. So, well, what I would say to the person that's on the fence, that God is on the fence, first of all, trust your gut. Definitely pray with your spouse about it. I'm gonna always lead with that. And secondly, this is a safe space and it's gonna build confidence. And I'm that guy that was nervous about just joining a particular group and investment, because I feel like I don't need them. I can just go buy a house. I bought houses before. What do I need them for? But why do it by yourself if you have a blueprint in front of you? That's how I feel. Why? So yeah, I definitely will lead. This is a comfortable space. I'm not a trusting guy at all. But trust, she has it all together for you. The blueprint is in front of us.